Hi, this is Jay from Group 3 Section IT4A Course Free Elective 2 in Program MSIT. In this video, we will show you how to run a DC motors in forward or reverse using Raspberry Pi. The things we're gonna need in this activity: DC motors, breadboard, 11 male-to-male jumper wires, L293D, a battery that can reach more than 5 volts, 8 female-to-male jumper wires. This will be the schematic for the activity, link in the description. Things to notice before starting: the position of L293D must be correct. Make sure to look at the label properly before connecting the wires. The position on how the current flow in DC motors will decide in which direction it will move. Follow the schematic that was shown earlier. This will help visualize the inner works of L293D. After connecting all the wires, this will be the code written in Python 3. L293D is a typical motor driver which allows the DC motors to drive on either directions. The current flow will direct which is the forward or the reverse of the motors. This is the output of the activity. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Jay from Group 3 Section IT4A Course Free Elective 2 in Program MSIT.